The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So you know that there are a lot of tools what you can use to get audio from your text. These audios help us to produce video content for our product or service, and even I have shown in my YouTube channel a lot of methods that you can use to get audios from your text. There are some video creators even like me who really get nervous and not confident in front of camera, feel shy in front of camera. That's why we just feel nervous to make a face video for our content. But here in this video tutorial we'll see that how we can get video from our text. Yes, it's just a video speech, not a video marketing related videos where we just put the text and get a marketing video. Here we will see a human talk your text. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video.
To get daily internet marketing videos, don't forget to subscribe Nikson YouTube channel. Thank you.
Okay, so as you can see in the intro, like this we will get characters for our video who will speak what we text. So this site called Synthesia. I'll give the link in video description to get free access of this. So you can see that it's trusted by the BBC and the other famous companies. Now you can see there is a paid version of this tool called, which is $30 and a custom version for companies. Now you can get it if you want to use it for a long time, and you'll see there is the support is also very great. The features of this tool are awesome because you can just type your text and choose your character and hit enter, and it will produce your video in no time. You can make up to 30-minute long video with this tool, and there are default 40 characters and 40 language you can have to create an account. You can just give here all the information. So where we was yes, we are talking about the characters. You can go with the multi-characters, and there are characters like superstars like Lionel Messi, David Beckham, Morgan, and others. Okay, so you can give here the custom characters as well, and the voiceovers are also so much natural in this. So this way you can create your account. So after you paid this minimum subscription for this tool, you will get these features, all the features for 1 month access, and you will able to use freely whatever and where you want. Well, let's see how we can use this for first time for free. We can do this. So for this we have to go again for the main dash home page of this website. You can see here is the option for create a free video. Just one video we can create for the first time. You have to give your text and click on the create, and it will ask us for a email where they are gonna send the video after they produce it, and we'll get it in our mail. So fill up the captcha carefully, give all your authentic information and create your account, and then go back to your email, and you see they will send you a first mail where they just ask you to create an account, and in second mail they are going to give you the video what they just produce for your according to your text. They send us the video. It takes up to 20 minutes to get the video. So if you use the free account, there are some watermark, but if you go for the pro version, it will give you a lot of useful stuffs like backgrounds and custom avatars and language as well. So hope you like this one. Have a great day.
To get daily internet marketing videos, don't forget to subscribe Nikson YouTube channel. Thank you.